tell me is you with it, yeah, bitch, yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive, From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch, yeah, bitch. Dream of living like rappers do, Back when condom rappers wasn't cool, I fucked your rain and went to tell my bros, Then usher ring and let it burn him on. I saw Saul and I talk rhyming, yeah, bitch, yeah, bitch. Off the calls and we start rhyming, yeah, bitch, yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind.
Hey you guys, guess where we are? Dubai! It after a long 2 days. If you want a tour, by the time I post this, it will be on my TikTok. As you can see in the background, I'm living. Y'all, look at this view. And look how cute this is. This is the balcony area. I just want to let you guys know that we have made it here safely. The first flight was like 2 hours and some change. The second flight here, yeah, a little over 12 hours. Yeah, it was pretty long. But it is currently 11:41 here. We actually got in the hotel, what, about 9 something? I don't know, 9 something. But anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. We back from the mall after trying to hitch. It felt like we were out there with a stick. We went through about 10 people. Feet hurting. Day not even over. I'm thinking we're on day 3. This is only day 1, y'all. I'm sorry I couldn't take y'all with me. When I tell you it took us 2 hours to find one store in that mall. Mall is so big, it's ridiculous. Right now we have like an hour and 30 to relax, maybe. So, and we need to eat something. So right now, we're looking at the McDonald's menu. And
I'm gonna be bold and get the chicken curry.
you hear that? Chicken curry bowl at McDonald's. We're gonna see.
Should I get the chicken teriyaki rice bowl or the chicken curry rice bowl?
Which one? Which one look better? I get that teriyaki because I don't know about. It's already iffy. If you actually want to go and explore, they actually have like a lot of good stores that the U.S. doesn't have. Like you would literally have to go when they open to even go to certain stores that you really want to go to. Side note: don't go with fucking heels on. Just don't do it because you're gonna be doing a lot of walking. But I will see you guys tomorrow, or maybe after the club tonight. We'll just see how the night goes. Hoping to meet some great people. I'm back, y'all. Just wanted to show y'all my food again. It ain't nothing special. It's McDonald's. Kiana got, oh, she was gonna get the teriyaki, but silly them, they ran out. So she had to get the beef and mushroom, no mushroom rice bowl with teriyaki sauce. She just put her hair up, y'all. She means business.
He's so fucking for real.
Bye. It's probably little.
Bye. Guess what the beef is? McDonald's. Guess what the beef is?
I know it ain't patty meat. Yo, that's a meal prep.
This is how it came. And now I'm sick.
That's a patty. It didn't look like that on that picture.
It really didn't.
Shit.
They're probably gonna give me what, a McChicken on some rice with the other one. Alright, cool.
Yo, that's crazy. I'm whispering because Keon is still sleeping. My birthday in Dubai today. I woke up around like 2:30 and I just couldn't go back to sleep. My hair is so nappy. Ow, ow. I'm about to go to the gym. I go another day without going to the gym. But right now, I'm just trying to look presentable. I actually did bring workout clothes. My luggage was too heavy when I went to the airport, so I had to take some stuff out, or I was gonna pay $200 extra. Some of those things happen to be my workout clothes. Looks a mess right here. Whatever. But then it was like arms or something because I haven't seen the gym they have here, but like in the hotel. But I know it says they have weights, so to keep it safe, I'm just gonna do arm day. And plus, arm day is the best day. We'll just work with what we have, just as long as I get a workout in.
What you saying, Keith?
Must have been your pretty face in the museum. Sweet like sugar king, I like the you doing. You can make niggas go crazy with all you. Testing my patience, how about I test you? Say, girl, I'm testing you, you got you. Say, be honest, don't get it confused. No, this silence better with you. No, everything looks better with you. Yeah, you say a silhouette, shape real innocent. Make me wanna intercept. Everything that you want, do. Better if I put it on you, yeah. Girl say you got intellect, smart and diligent. Oh, you move innocent, got me thinking things again. I put it on you, might not get it confused. I'm obsessed with you, only you. You got something that you do to me. Only you, girl, your trouble, it ain't no. Them in your pretty face in the museum. Sweet like sugar king, I like the you doing. You can make niggas go crazy with all you. Testing my patience, how about I test you? Say, girl, I'm testing you, you got you. Say, be honest, don't get it confused.
Cobrando por party más de 70K.
La mujer que no son televisores. La mujer que no son televisores. Okay. Twirl it, twirl it, twirl it. Y'all, she just told me to play Tasha Cobb's Love My Lord. But Tasha Cobb, y'all, we just took 3 shots. I'm sorry, I'm really a lightweight. I'm not lightweight, but I have not drunk in a minute and I am just feeling so good. We're about to go on a boat. Okay. Oh, hold up. Oh, I came back to balloons. So cute. From the hotel. A cake that I took like 2 bites out of because it's really chocolate. I love chocolate. It's my favorite type of cake. Chocolate cake and carrot cake. But it was too chocolatey. They have like 5 different chocolates in there. Sorry, I'm gonna fix my makeup. Don't say nothing. Oh, look at how cute this cake. Oh, let me not get my hair in it. Happy birthday to me. This is my fit for the garden. I'm just going all over the place with this. I will see you guys for a night of fun. We literally have to be out all night. Why we took shots before we went there? Because it's mandatory. If we can stay up for the rest of the night, to be determined. A video.
Excuse me, sir. Where are you from?
She's going.
I'm from UK.
You're from the UK? Oh, me too.
Oh, really?
What part?
I'm from United Kerala, India. Yes.
Nice to meet you.
I'm here.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.